This is one of my favorite topics, the crystal ball moment for performance marketers. So predictive customer lifetime value basically gives us the ability to stop optimizing for short-term conversions and start bidding based on future profit potential. Think of it like switching from driving with Google Maps to using Waze with real-time traffic and accident alerts. You're not just reacting anymore, you're anticipating where value will come from before everyone else sees it. But let's unpack that. Traditionally, most paid search campaigns chase last click ROI, meaning we optimize for immediate revenue and not retained value. But as every marketer knows, not all dollars are equal. Some categories attract serial returners while others breed loyal repeat buyers. Think of it this way. Someone purchasing Nespresso capsules is likely to reorder every month, while someone buying a Hario coffee filter might not come back for years. Predictive customer lifetime value captures those nuances. It uses early behavioral signals like first purchase category, payment method, or even shipping region to estimate how valuable that person is likely to be over time, helping algorithms bid more intelligently for customers who stay. And once you have that predicted value, the fun begins. First of all, smarter budget allocation. Instead of optimizing for short-term ROAS, predictive customer lifetime value lets you fund the right clicks, the ones that turn into loyal, high-value customers. One of our major retailers reallocated spend using CLV-informed HEROAS inputs and saw 59% more new customers while cutting spend by 19%. Essentially, the system learns to stop wasting budget on low-margin products or repeat buyers who were coming back anyway. Then you have real-time bid optimization, and that's where it gets a little more tactical. Predictive CLV clusters users into value tiers, say $3, $10, $20, $50, $80, and pipes that data straight into the bidder. The algorithm then adjusts bid dynamically, bidding up for high-value prospects and easing off on low-value ones. That means if Google sees a user predicted to be worth $50 instead of $10, the bid adjusts automatically. So it's real-time bidding but smarter, using Google's latest recommendation on value-based bidding. And the result is more efficient auctions and higher value conversions at scale. These will improve campaign efficiency. Campaigns that integrate CLV signals directly into smart bidding models tend to run leaner and smarter. We've seen significant uplifts in performance when predictive CLV is activated, especially in categories with wide variability in customer value like fashion or electronics. By feeding those predictive signals into Google's bidding logic, the algorithm can flex its CPO threshold in a smart way, allowing higher CPO for auctions that are expected to drive stronger long-term value and a lower CPO for those with weaker future profit potential. In other words, Google learns when it's worth paying a premium today to secure tomorrow's most profitable customers. And while we're on the topic, PCLV unlocks a more profitable customer mix. Search is great at driving volume, but not all volume is good. Predictive CLV identifies which new customers are likely to become your VIPs. So over time, that shifts your mix. Fewer one and dones and more long-term revenue generator. So it's like turning your search funnel into a loyalty engine. And the beauty is you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Our solution plugs directly into bidding algorithm like Google's, and it's also compatible with features like high-value optimization or new customer value mode. So you're using the platform's own AI just with better data, as predictive CLV supercharges those models with richer, forward-looking signals. So what's the net effect? Higher net margin, since bids reflect true customer value, faster customer acquisition cost recovery with smarter spend allocation, and an overall ROI improvement across paid search channels within weeks of activation. So predictive CLV doesn't just improve bidding, it evolves it and turns it from reactive to proactive. It teaches your campaigns to bid not for clicks, but for future profit. And that's when paid search stops being an expense line and starts acting like a profit center. Plus, let's be very honest, it feels pretty great to tell your CFO that you improved ROI and cut spend at the same time. It's like a mic drop moment in any QBR.